if anybody's from New York out there, there's one sandwich that we all get excited for in the morning, and that's the bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese, salt, pepper, ketchup on a hard roll. There's nothing like this bad boy. And you know, the funny part about this sandwich, I've had these at higher end like bistros, but there's something about the bodega bacon, egg, and cheese that really, the crispy edges on the egg, the cheap American cheese. If you try to use anything else, it's just not the same thing. So I'm gonna finish eating this sandwich, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this thing in your own kitchen, just like the bodega. It's so good. So first what we gotta do is we gotta cook our bacon. I like a nice thick cut smoky bacon here. Just lay it down flat on the sheet pan. For one sandwich, probably about 4 strips of bacon. And what I like to do before it goes into the oven, I get some like coarse grind, a nice even coating of the black pepper. Put it in for a nice slow roast until golden brown, all the fat's rendered out of it. That's step one. Yo, so as far back as I can remember, high school, even before that, this is like the one sandwich that just brings back so much nostalgia from back then. It's just like either skipping school or going like during our lunch period. This sandwich was it, you know, and it still is. Like late night, going out at night, and then going back to Rocky's Deli in Millwood. Crazy times, but. It's simple, but I'm gonna simplify it even more for you. It's all about the ingredients. You need a good quality bacon, a nice smoky bacon. It's either Portuguese or hard roll. Learning how to make this sandwich at home for your family is pretty special, and it's straight New York. There's nothing more New York than this, other than pizza and bagels. Pizza, bagels, bacon, egg, and cheese. That's it. So that is it, guys. I'm sorry for the fan noise. I had to turn the AC back on. It's hot as hell in here. But that's the one right there. That's the classic New York style bacon, egg, and cheese. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, click that notifications button. Really appreciate you. You're gonna appreciate this sandwich. I know I am. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.